Jewel, ever wonder why some dudes are hustling for pennies while others print billions in their sleep? It's not luck. It's because $1 and $1 billion are completely different games. Seriously, the rules change at every level. Want to know how the ladder actually works? Buckle up. We're calling this the unfair playbook. How money really works from ramen to private jets. Level 1. Your first damn dollar, the hustle. Dude, this is pure survival mode. Spot a need. Any need. Thirsty tourist on the beach. Sell him a $1 water bottle. Boom. You just proved the golden rule. Value equals cash. You saw the tiny problem and it got paid. Simple? Yes. Scalable? Fit no. What's the foundation? Your takeaway. Money isn't magic. It's trading solutions for paper. Level 2. $100, the upgrade. Selling water bottles sucks. So you upgrade the value. Maybe you design a slick meal planner on Canva. Sell it for $10. Why? Because staying fit, quenching thirst. More value equals more cash. Or flip crap. Buy a busted dresser for $30. Fix it up. Sell for $150. You created value from nothing. Lesson? Don't just solve problems. Create value others crave. Level 3. $10,000, the skill payoff. Now we're talking. You got a real skill, coding, writing, whatever. Freelance platforms? Gold mines. Businesses need landing pages, scripts, fixes. Charge $1,000 per project. But here's the trap. You're still trading time for dollars. Stop working? Cash stops. This level teaches you your skills are engines. But engines need fuel, your hours. Level 4. $100,000, the print money machine. This is where legends are born. You spot a recurring problem your freelance clients have. So you build a tool, a SaaS app, a course, something that solves it forever. Now you charge monthly. $10 per month from 1,000 users? $10,000 per month. While you sleep, you packaged your skill into a machine. Value equals cash, but systems equals freedom. Level 5. $1 million, the team game. Your tool's popping, but you're drowning in emails, bugs, marketing. The bottleneck? You. Time to hire a dev, a marketer, an assistant. Plug them into your systems. Suddenly, your $100,000 machine becomes a $1 million rocket. More brains plus your systems equals compound growth. You're not the player anymore. You're the coach. Level 6. $10 million plus, the empire. Now you think platform, not product. Shopify didn't just sell stores. They sold entrepreneurial dreams. Notion didn't sell docs. They sold organized lives. You're not solving one problem. You're owning an entire vibe. Brand loyalty equals insane pricing power. People pay extra just to feel part of your story. Value isn't just delivered. It's felt. Level 7. $1 billion, the invisible god. This isn't about your product. It's about owning the damn infrastructure. Think Stripe. They don't sell anything sexy. They power every online payment. They're the oxygen of e-commerce. Take a micro cut of trillions. Become the layer everyone builds on. You're not in the game. You are the game. The real T. Jumping levels? Requires reinventing yourself. Freelancers think like laborers. Billionaires think like architects. You don't climb the ladder, you build a new damn ladder. If this clicked, smash subscribe. Seriously, every sub screams, drop more truth bombs. This channel? It's our rebellion against broke-ass myths. Want to keep this revolution alive? Patreon links in the description. If you can spare coffee money, you're not tipping me. You're funding a war on financial ignorance. To everyone already supporting, you're absolute legends. This movement doesn't happen without you. Now go. Stop chasing dollars. Start building games. Catch you in the next one.